Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 78 cents and $1.71 by 2030. Market examiners accept Algo could reach 78 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2022 is 13 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework. The cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has hence lost most of these additions, experts and sites that conjecture costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement strategy called unadulterated verification of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and nearby money appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. Algorand major investigation. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed progressively. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early patrons had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, in the long run hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the relentlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a joint effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, pronounced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its cryptographic money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unsurpassed post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63 regardless of Algorand having recently delivered an update that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand is right now worth 17 cents USD. Algo has moved 3.33% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,556,254. Algorand is right now positioned 32 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,239,546,374 USD. Algorand value expectation 2023. In 2023, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform 43 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ALGO's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 34 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 38 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 60 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 55 cents and a low of 52 cents in 2024. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2025. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 78 cents, with a base cost of 69 cents and a typical cost of 73 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 90 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 87 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 95 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.08. In the event that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.13. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.04. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.22 and a yearly cost close above $1.31 in 2028. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.39 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.48, averaging out at $1.43. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ALGO cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.71 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.64. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed opposition levels on the